welcome to Lockdown Kitchen by June. Today we have beef panang menu. Going to show you everyone. So are you ready? If you're ready, let's go and see our ingredient. Beef, panang chili paste. You can use a can, regular red chili would be okay too. Fish sauce, Kaffalon beef, and I do a small slice too. Bell pepper, you can use mix or whatever color you have in your kitchen. It's also good. A little bit jalapeno. So coconut milk, any kind is good too. And a little bit of sugar if you like sweet. Okay, are you ready? Oh, what we have? Oh, I use oil to cooking. Okay. Pan. Ready? Going to stir and pan fry my chili paste first. Then I put chili paste.เคี่ยวให้แตกมันนะคะท่านผู้ชมสีสันสวยงามก็จะเติมทั้งหมดเลยชอบสีสันเยอะๆยิบให้มองเขาดูเยอะสมองvery well known of Thai เขาแตกมันนะคะเคี่ยวกะทิเติมกะทิลงไปนิดนึง so I add coconut milk to mix with this. Don't burn it. Just putคนไปเรื่อยๆให้แตกมัน You stir until you can see the coconut milk and chili paste. They get more creamy. It's good now. And I will add my beef. I've been prepared for that. And some stir fry. Stir make your beef cooking. Take this one. So you can see better. Much better now. Put some salt. Add some salt. Beef panang is the taste will be a little bit fishy and smell all herb, a little bit sweet, just a little bit. It's a smell. You can put a lot of kapula. I like kapula. Add some. Wow. I know you're hungry now. Like mine, after I'm cooking, I will eat a lot. Sounds good now. I will add all my coconut. I've been prepared. I have it from the other day. Can be added now. Wow. I add some water. I don't like too much. Wow. Look at the color now. And then I will start to put my seasoning I've been prepared. Oh, I'm sorry. It's good. Wow, wow. Jalapeno seasoning. The lime leaf, the one I've been like it. Ooh. Smells so yummy. I'm not going to add some fish sauce because in chili paste already salty. I don't want it to be too salty for that, so I'm going to shake it first. Ooh. How come I put a little bit more? Add more gas now. So good. Put some sugar. I like a little bit sweet, taste sweet. Cover it because make flavor is tender for a while. Ooh, look now. Woo! Okay, you can see some smoke. All cooking now. I'm sure my beef's been cooked. The last thing I'm going to put is sweet basil. Did I tell you yet? This I put in frozen. Everything's good. See? Yeah. Smells so good. And you add a little bit of fish sauce because they are already salty. Everyone, in 10 minutes, cooking beef panang. See, I go slow by slow. Everyone can start cooking with June. during coronavirus crisis. Enjoy cooking. Honestly, I want to tell you guys, I've been so sad for 4-5 days. But now I think I have to wake up and get up. Don't give up to my life. And only thing I can do right now to share my cooking story in lockdown kitchen to share with you. I hope everyone will subscribe and share for me to help me grow and pass in this difficult time. So everything will done now. So I will turn off. I cannot wait. I got to taste. So creamy and looks so yummy. Oh, unbelievable. Creamy with coconut milk. Spicy with red chili paste, Panang chili paste. Smell so good with sweet basil and so good. Nothing to say. You can eat with the steamed rice or noodle or spaghetti to serve with. Everyone look at my dish. I wish everyone join with me with big heart. So for the moment, only one thing we can do. So everyone like my beef Panang curry, you can start learn and cooking on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again again soon with Lockdown Kitchen by June. See you again soon. Enjoy your day. I hope everyone enjoy cooking with me. So I'm going to go eat my beef Panang. Enjoy the rest of the day. We pray for you guys. We'll go fight together until economic crisis being solved. Take care of yourselves. Stay in the safe zone, everyone. Bye bye.